everybody. I just want to talk about this cool old lock here. This is a Russwin. It's a 6-pinner. It works great. There's no ticks or nothing. Whoop, I got it upside down. There's the bitting on the key. This lock has been a pretty tough lock to pick tonight. I got it picked twice in a row earlier, so I broke out my camera trying to get it picked on camera. And I've already gone past 15 minutes twice trying to get it picked on camera. This is my third attempt to try to get it on camera tonight. There's pin 1, pin 2. Okay, I got a false set when I hit pin 5. Can't really feel my binder, so I'm going to switch to a taller pick. This is my, I guess you would call it my medium hook. But I put a notch into it just like a reach would have. Okay, just going to release slowly. Okay, I felt something drop up front. Okay, may have just got a little bit of movement back out of them. Got a little bit of feedback here. Pin 4. Okay, got a click. Pin 2 is all the way up. Feels like pin 2 is overset. Pin 4 may be overset. And I just overset pin 6. I just overset a bunch of pins there. It's real easy to do in this lock. Alright, so back to pin 1. Okay. Pin 2. Pin 3. Should be pin 5 next. There it is. Got a little bit of feedback on 4. And I've got a lot of bit of feedback on 6. But I've been trying to pick 6 first lately. Let's see if I can pick 4 first. I'll release back a little bit of tension. Slowly push up on a pin. Okay, it pushed up. See if I dropped any of the front pins. Okay, I got to click out of 2. Okay, I'm getting a lot of feedback on 6. I'm dropping pins like crazy. I hear them falling. Okay, got to click out of 6. Click out of 2. Okay, 6 is way overpicked. So, back to the drawing board. Reset everything real good here. Pin 1. Pin 2. Pin 3. Pin 5. Okay, just checking the ones up front. I'm just going to brush against them. Okay, up front's good. So pin 6, if I can get underneath of them. Okay, I think pin 6, okay, yeah, pin 6 went up and I still have my false set. So I didn't drop anybody. I got rotation on pin 4, so I'm going to try the same thing with pin 4. Just going to try to massage them up into position. Okay, pin 4 went up. I heard maybe too many clicks. Okay, but I still have my false set. Okay, who's my binder now? 6 feels good. 4 feels good. Let me go with a deeper hook now. I want to go with my reach pick. Okay, there we go. It feels like 5. Just want to reach over top so I can have a little bit better control over the tension wrench. Okay. Nice and slow. All right, there we go. Finally. That's my 3rd attempt to try to get this on camera tonight. Probably, like I said earlier, or I don't even know if I said it in this video, but maybe 50 attempts altogether to get this thing open. And I've been successful on some of my attempts, but not all. Not very many, actually. So, whew, I'm glad I finally got this one open. It's been a tough old Russwin. Okay. Put the key in, turn it. And this Russwin has a large core, and I don't have any other followers, but I've got a core for another Russwin. Let's use it as a follower. Sure. There we go. Set that down like that. Heck, I'll just set it right there. All right. Looking at our key pins. You can already tell that I've got threading in chambers 2 and 3. All right. Pin 1 is a spool. Pin 2 is a serrated with lots of nice sharp serrations on it. Same with pin 3, very sharp serrations. Pin 4 is a deep spool. And pin 5 is also a deep spool. Or, well, actually, pin 5 is more of a mushroom spool. And pin 6 is a standard with a ball bearing underneath of it. And the ball bearing is kind of what was making me slide off of pin 6 earlier. Okay, so let's look up top. Tweezers. Here we go. Okay. In chamber 1, I've got a very nice sharp serrated. Chamber 2, also a real nice sharp serrated. Chamber 3 is another sharp serrated. Don't fall down that hole. Chamber 4 is a nice tall deep spool. Chamber 5 is also a nice tall deep spool. And chamber 6 is another spool, not quite as deep. And before I break that spring back there, let me... Actually, you know, I need to dump these springs out. Okay, as you can tell, I've got several different types of springs in this lock. I kind of randomly placed different types of springs into different holes just to give me different feel. So I got some copper springs, I've got a steel spring, and I believe these 4 are brass. Okay. Inside the Bible, you can see I've got real light threading in chambers 1 and 2. The problem with this lock being such an old lock is these can get wallowed out a little bit over time. And when I threaded this, the threads didn't take all the way down it. So the chamber was bigger at the bottom than it was at the top. Chamber 2's got nice serrations in it. And chamber 3 should also have serrations in it. It's kind of hard to tell in this light and with this camera and without popping the top off of here. But anyway, guys, that was this old Russwin lock. It was a real fun lock with interesting pins all around and interesting springs and some good core and Bible modifications. So guys, stay safe, don't do anything illegal, never pick any locks that you don't own or locks that you don't have permission to pick, and as always, please like and subscribe by pressing the big subscribe button underneath my video.